In this video I'm going to show you how to make a flowchart in Word. So to create the flowchart you need to go to Insert over here, and then you need to go to Smart Art. Now you need to go to Hierarchy, and then you can select the template that you want, but I'm going to use the organizational in this demo. So organization chart, okay. And now we are going to create our own flowchart. So you can remove all those default values. And you can define your flowchart from here. So let's say the first step is error notification. And this is going to be completely random. So let's say easy fix. And you can hit the tab button to do it like this. So after you add a step, you can hit the enter button to go to the next line. And then you can hit the tab button to make it a step underneath the previous step. So easy fix, yes or no. I hit the enter button over here. Problem fixed. No. Create maintenance order. Okay, so we want to have more steps underneath the yes. So let's say again yes or no. If the problem is fixed, you can close the notification, and if it's not fixed, you need to fix it. So this is a really simple flowchart. And now we are going to change the design a bit. So I want this to be a process step, so I hold the shift key on my keyboard, and I want this to be a process step. This one, for example, so like this. And then you need to go to Format, and over here you need to go to Change Shape. And you have a flowchart section over here, and now we want to have the process design, so this one. So as you can see, it's like a process step now, and we want this to be a decision, and this is also a decision. So I hold the shift key and I select the decisions. Then I go back to Format, Change Shape, and I select the decision icon, so like this. And this is the way to change your design. We also want to add arrows, so hold shift and I select all the lines, like this. And then underneath Format you need to go to Shape Outline, and then you go to Arrows over here and you select an arrow, so this one in my case. Okay, so now we see all the arrows, and you can also drag and drop the process steps like this. Make it a bit bigger, like this. There are also different ways to change the layout of your flowchart. So you can go to Smart Art Design, and over here you can select some default designs. So we want to have it like this, for example, or more like a 3D. No, we want it like this. And you can also go to other templates for your layout, as you can see over here. So there are a lot. Just have a look and choose the one that fits your needs. Okay, and this is how to make a flowchart in Word. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if the video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video.